Now, what is a back order? An out of stock item that will be shipped as soon as it becomes available. This is one definition of back order. You may know that there are back orders which might not be shipped in the future. For example, there are customers who can take back orders. If you are a specialty manufacturer, you have limited or capacity with you. So if you are capacitated, the demand is higher. There would be customers who would be placing an order, but they will not be getting in that business cycle. So what will happen? There will be a back order. You will be shipping those, or you will be manufacturing the product or shipment for those customers in the next business cycle. So if you are doing it, it's a back order. It would not be counted as an order which you fulfill in the previous business cycle in which that order was actually placed. And there are customers who would not wait if there is a back order, and they will just cancel the order and it will become a lost order. Then there is a backhaul. The process of a transportation vehicle, especially true for the transportation, typically a truck returning from the original destination point to the point of origin. A backhaul can occur with a full or partially loaded trailer. Sometimes if your logistical service is not good or efficient, the backhaul might be empty as well. Backhaul है क्या? आपका ट्रक या ट्रेलर अपने पॉइंट ऑफ जो डेस्टिनेशन है उससे वापस पॉइंट ऑफ ओरिजिन पर आ रहा है, यानी he has actually he is at the destination. That truck has offloaded the shipment or the consignment. Now it is coming back. It's a back order, a backhaul. Now it could be either a fully shipped truck or trailer or a partially shipped truck or trailer. Depends upon the type of planning which you have done, that okay, it will go and the backhaul would not be empty, but sometimes it can be empty. It's not a very good criteria to have. It's not a very good indicator to have an empty backhauls frequently, but it happens. It happens for different logistical companies. A ballast, a weight added to a ship to help it ride lower in the water and provide a smoother, more efficient ride. वो वेट है जो आप शिप में डाल देते हैं ताकि वो थोड़ा सा नीचे हो जाए. And it can, if it is lowered, if the deck is lowered, if the overall ship is a bit lower, it can ride freely in water. Then there is a belly cargo. Belly cargo is for the aircrafts, airplanes. Air freight carried in the belly of a passenger aircraft. आपके passenger aircraft जो है उसकी जो है वो आप कह लें पेट में, उसके belly में, there is always a cargo which is moving. So a passenger train is not only just for the passenger, but it also takes the cargo. वो cargo को भी लेके जाता है. So that is known as a belly cargo. Then you have a barcode. Most of us actually know about the barcode. It's the different black and white lines which are printed on most of the products now, even the stationery products. A product code on a printed label containing black and white coded image that meet industry standards for routing packages or retrieving information about the box or merchandise to which the label is attached. You would have seen the barcodes on the products which are being retailed. Just remember it. When they are in a transit, the cartons or master cartons in which they are packed, they also have, those cartons would also have the barcode with them. And that barcode would have the information about the type of item in it and the routing and the destination points as well. It would be read by a barcode reader. The barcode reader, if it is in a transit, they would know, okay, where to ship it and what is the destination of that shipment and how much quantity needed to be shipped. That type of information would be provided in that barcode. That is for the logistical purpose. We have seen the barcode for the retailing purpose as well. Retailing में आप कोई चीज़ buy करते हैं, उसकी जो pricing information है, उस product की जो information है, that is in that barcode, which comes to the barcode reader onto the screen of that teller. Thank you.